Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot in OneNote. Microsoft Copilot in OneNote helps you organize notes, summarize information, generate content, and find insights from your notebooks. Whether you are taking class notes, planning projects, or managing meeting notes, Copilot can help you work more efficiently. So, first of all, let's start with opening notes. So go ahead to Copilot and make sure that you have the OneNote in the sidebar. Other than that, you will need also to have a subscription within the Microsoft 365 so you can get Copilot's AI chatbot. You can get it through the chat here, then click on compare plans, and then what you need to do is to pick one of these plans. Doesn't matter which one, all of them include the AI chatbot with them, as you can see right here. So once you get the plan, you simply have to open OneNote. Let me just show you, and here we go. So here, how can we use it in here? Well, you can use the actual AI for many reasons. Like the most favorite feature is summarizing large amounts of information, and you can use prompts such as summarize these notes, give me the key takeaways from this page, create a short overview of this notebook section, etc. Copilot will extract the most important information and present it in a concise format. How to do that? Simply, you will have here next to the aid, you will find a button that says Copilot. Just click on it, and then a chat where you can literally just type in will open. So simply just write in your prompt in there, and you will be able to ask it whatever you want and do whatever you want with this AI Copilot, just with bare plain English. Of course, any language could work, not only English, but yeah, just giving an example of the language. So just write your question or your prompt, and the AI should be delivering. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like, and see you guys next time in my video.